no.
Okay, I'm recording. First,
Ready, you're supposed to put it in and then turn it on.
Did you look at this? That's
instructions.
where the oil, that's where the butter goes in.
So that's the butter?
Yeah.
Here's the butter.
I didn't think you were going to have butter.
Well, we need it.
Why don't we just melt it in a bowl? It'd be easier to clean.
Burning.
Air power?
Oh.
Are you still video?
Yeah.
For tea left, I need new cups.
Yeah, I dare you to get one. Because in the morning we should count how many cups we've used. There's 15 in the fridge. We're not going to do it.
Heat it up in the microwave.
Yeah, but we can put that bowl in the dishwasher. You're not going to have enough room in that bowl. Run! Hey!
Clean up the floor now.
No.
Oh, my God. Disgusting.
Two seconds rule.
Oh, my. Not on this filthy farm floor.